Buenos dias!
Good. No.
What? Making breakfast, ready to go on a hike soon. And we're prepping for lunch. Alright, off on our hike. Here we go. Today we're going to some lake. I'm not sure. It's gonna be great though. I'm excited. Our driver's here, so it's gonna be a great day. Start of our hike.
Yeah. It's gonna be tough.
About 60 meters in. Just about a lot more to go.
I think at the shelter we should get a snack.
I'll have one cookie box.
We're gonna take one box and say, we want a little bit. Exactly. Continue? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, only 4 kilometers left. We press on. Snack time.
One is with milk chocolate, and they are so good.
I'm excited. Yummy chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate is the necessity.
Cheers.
But
1 kilometer left.
my head was I'm just tired.
Alright, y'all. We're heading up this. Let's go.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
No complaining.
No complaining. Time to eat some lunch. It's going to be